In this video, we are going to see how you can create a video ad like this. You might have come across a lot of video ads like this, but have you ever wondered how these ads are made? Now, let's see how you can make your own video ad, which will help you convey your message in an attractive way and attract more customers for your business and earn lots of money. So after watching this video, you can create a professional ad like this, which can fit in any screen size and can be posted on any platform like Facebook, YouTube, or even Instagram. The AI will generate the video, stock images, AI voiceover, and even background music. All you need to do is just to sit back and provide a prompt, and your video is generated. The best part is it's completely free. Under a few seconds, you will get our video ad for free. So let's start our timer on and let's get started. Now, to create a video ad, we are going to be doing 3 steps. The first step is to create an account on Wondershare. Now, this is the tool which we are going to use to create our video ad for free. So to create an account on Wondershare, just click the link below this video and it will take you to this page. Now, download the app and open it, and then you will see an interface like this. Now let's go to the second step, which is to create our video ads. On the home page, select AI text video here. You should see a pop-up like this. Now, this is where you provide few lines of your business product to guide the AI on what video you are creating. Also, you don't need to brainstorm for script idea. There is another AI tool for that. So just click the second link below this video to access 𝘀𝗶𝗺𝗽𝗀. Yeah, just fill in few details of your business. If you already have a business website, you can paste the link here and the AI will automatically fill the answers using your website. You can give it a try, but I'll manually fill my own details here. Once you have filled in all the details, just select save and continue. Alright, now to generate our video ad script, just select yeah. We now have our AI script generated for us. So let's copy this. And now, let's paste it in our Filmora dashboard. Also, Filmora has inbuilt AI script generator. So let's check it out. Just select yeah. Now choose type of video you want to create. I'll go with this. Now, type in the topic of your test, and here you can also give more details to help the AI generate a better script for your video. Since I've gotten my video script from 𝘀𝗶𝗺𝗽𝗀, I'll close out of this. After that, once your script is ready, select the text language. In this case, it's English United States, but it can be Portuguese and a lot of other languages. You can also select the video aspect ratio. So the video can be landscape if you want to make a YouTube product coverage, or maybe in a portrait mode for video shots on Facebook and Instagram. For the voiceover option, You also have 4 voice models. To hear a preview of what the voice sounds like, just select the play button here. So I'll select the 𝗀𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗀 voice for the voiceover. Then once all your settings is made, simply click on text to video. Now our video is generated. Let's check it out.
Welcome to Blissful Boutique, where elegant and charming jewelry shares your unique style story. Our mission is simple: to add joy to your wardrobe, infusing bliss into every item you discover. What sets us apart? Our passion for curating unique, meticulously crafted pieces that seamlessly blend elegance and charm. Explore our collections from the comfort of your home. Whether you're seeking a statement piece, the perfect gift, or a dose of retail therapy, our pieces are timeless tokens designed to make every moment special, reflecting the blissful elegance at our core. Visit our website or boutique to be enchanted by our treasures. Shopping with us is about the journey, the thrill of selecting pieces that resonate with you. Our buying process is uncomplicated. Browse, select, add to your cart, check out, and await your blissful treasures at your doorstep. But wait, there's more. As Valentine's Day approaches, we're sharing the love with a special sale. From the 14th to the 18th of February, enjoy a free 50% off on selected items. Our dedicated customer support ensures a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience. Invite bliss into your life, elevate your style with sophisticated accessories, and share your joy with us and our community. Don't miss out on the bliss. Explore Blissful Boutique now. Life's short, and you deserve the bliss.
Imagine this video has been put together by just a single prompt. Wow, how cool is that? And you also get the subtitles, and the voiceover is done realistically. You also get a nice soothing background music to fit your video with just AI. Now let's go to the final step, which is to add your own content to this video. Now, of course, you can edit and add any content you want and fully customize this video to your own video ad. For example, I don't like the video here. Yeah, it does not suit the video text, so I want to change it to my store location. You can either find a popular video from the stock media, or I can easily import my own media from my media files. Now I have the video of our sales shop. Let's upload it. To do that, just select import, then select the file and click open. If needed, you can also generate realistic AI images using AI image ads. To know how to do that, you can watch this video up above or in the link down below. So let's replace this clip. Simply drag the video file on your timeline up and then drag your custom clip below. Also adjust the size to fill in the space of the video you just removed. Once all that's done, let's delete this. Now we have our shop location in our video ad. So in the same way, you can add your images. Once you're done making changes and customizing your video to fit your style, let's export it. To do that, just select the export button here. Type in the file name for your video, then select the quality you want to export it on. I'll go with higher, and then select export, and your video is generated within a few clicks. If you want to know how to use Filmora 13 for free, then you can watch this video. That's it for today's video. To see more videos like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.